Hello and welcome back to Starland. How you doing? Hope you've had a great week, everybody. Welcome back into the Starland shop. So I've lost count of what episode we're on now, but I hope you're well. So let's go and have a look and see where we are actually. So this is where we are in the shop now. We've got quite a lot of stock in, so we'll go and check the stock room. We've got a load of stock out here as well. Right, there's not much in the stock room actually. There's some milk, water, and I'm pretty sure I needed that actually, if I remember right, for just having a quick look there. So I hope you have had a good week. Yeah, we do need some of that. I've had quite a busy week. I've been painting, I've been making content for the channel, I've been drinking lots of coffee to keep me awake. Yeah. I've had quite a busy week. So the milk is all full, so we'll just stick that in the stock room for now. The stock room's getting quite a wee bit in it as well now. Oil. I don't know if you can see the comment that was left from Danny. So he basically he basically said, right, can we buy a shelf for the shop? I think he means like one of these things here, these shelves, onto this side of the and call it Danny the shelf. That's quite funny. Danny the shelf. I like that. So when we get a new shelf, we'll have to call it Danny. There we go. The cheese can just go away. So we'll put that there. Right. And what we still got? We've got a flower. Some bread up here. The bread's selling quite well. We've got a wee drop that we can stick in the stock room. We're really out of money now, so we don't have much money, so we are going to have to just have a day in the shop selling. Right, so we'll do that. What else we've got here? Eggs. Oh no, cereal. Chocolate cereal. Yep, we need some of that. There we go. Now we've got eggs. So let's take them down. I thought we were going to have extra eggs there, but there was just enough for what we need. Susu. There we go, that's the susu done. some coffee. My favourite coffee. Right, there we go. And another coffee as well. I'm going to actually, I need to put this in the bin because I don't have any helpers. So I'm going to check the price on the coffee because it's selling really well. So I'm still making a good profit on the coffee. So I'm just going to leave it. I just wondered. What about this? Yeah, that's too cheap. So we'll make it £6.80. So that's went up in price, so they're fine. What about the cereal? Yeah, that's fine. Flubber, another good seller. Yeah, we're selling that for too low as well. That $4.50. We're just trying to boost up our profits. $3.55. Yeah, that's fine. Oil, I was got to call that just there. 5.43. 5. Oh, that's two. That's a pound out, so it's $5.50. We'll make it. $5.50. Right. Okay, let's have a look at the fridge items. The milk is too low as well. No wonder we're not making much money. All the food's being sold underpriced. Right, there we go. Cheese, 152, 272, 343. That's fine. I'm making a bit of profit on that. 398, 4. Yeah, we could probably put that up, maybe 10 pence. I'm acting like real shopkeepers now, putting all the prices up. The eggs are 410. 398, yeah, that's fine. We don't want to raise that. 213, 270, 213. That's quite dear actually. I might bring that one down to 240. Yeah, no, 230 even. It's a bit dear. Right, there we go. A bit expensive was that. So we've sorted all the prices out. Let's open the shop, make some money, and see where it takes us. So we're currently level 11. I need obviously to be at the end of the day to check what we can upgrade on, so we'll turn the light on because that's always an issue. My computer's not in here, so I can't do much about it now while we're waiting on customers. So the shelves are quite full again. We don't have much money, but that's fine because we should have by the end of the day. And here comes number one. So I hope you guys are all keeping well on the channel. There is a video coming soon on my channel for socials, so if you want to get in touch on the socials, I will be making just a socials video, no part of this series, but it will just be called socials. I'm going to make a social hub series, and the first one will be called socials. Right, okay, let's serve these customers. I'm ranting. Right. Time to start making some money. There's a mark on the floor. I know she's got to ding my till, but I'm just got to clean it anyway. Oh, what's that? A trade offer. We buy 24 olive oil. Do you want to sell for 68? Not enough stock, so I'll need to decline it anyway. Right, mop. Need to move closer, I think. There we go. Right, push that back in and let's go and serve these customers. A 50, 60, 70, 3, 1, 2, 3. Eggs. Sixty eight, 90. Six. I'm sorry, I'm being quite quiet on this today. My mind's elsewhere. So we've served quite a few customers. I was away thinking about my lunch there. That's me being silly when I'm recording. 21:07. So how far are we into the day? Well, we've made 339. That's not too bad. The two guys are wearing exactly the same clothes. Well, he's got a bow tie, I suppose. This guy's got a white suit on. $4.40 change. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. $90. Something down the side of me. They're just being dropped. I'll need to get 11. I'm actually going to check to see what the situation is with getting staff once this video's finished. Sorry, I had to go and answer the door, so give me 2 seconds here. I'm just going to pause this video for now. Jeez, I had to go and answer the door there. So we're a wee bit behind now because the game had to keep running. Sorry about that. We will. Right, somebody came to do some repair work at my house, so I had to let them in and just pause the game. There we go. We'll just keep serving all these customers in here. $5.50. And the last one. There we go, 157. So that's all the customers served. Let's go. So let's get rid of all this junk lying around. We'll put that out here. So we've made £662 in that game day. We'll just mop that up as well. Right, we'll go and check the computer to see where we are with stuff. So let's go into the management tab. We can see our next license is 550, which is going to be the Juicies. Hiring. We can now hire a cashier to help us in the shop while we do other things. So we'll definitely do that next episode. We'll hire the cashier, and then we'll start the day that way. And hopefully we'll make some more money that way because we can continue building the shop because we'll have the cashier working for us, so we'll no need to work the till. That'll be fun. So it's another step forward in the game. Anyway, this has been a shorter episode just because somebody came to my door and had to do some work, so I do apologise. But we will be back next week with a much better episode, hopefully. Again, we'll be getting the cashier. So first member of staff joins us next week on in the video, and we'll see how we got on with that. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the videos. Please tune in next week because we will be back for what is going to be an exciting one because we have our first member of staff joining us, and that's going to be fun. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Have a great week, and we will see you next Wednesday. Toodaloo.